test case. That is
Sir.
product details page. We have to write a product details page test case. So let's create the product details test case. Let's move on. TestNG, create TestNG class. So just create a product details page test. So here also we need a before class, before method, after class. So click on finish. So take the same we need for my account page, whatever we have taken, we can take the same thing. And this before class, before method we need, just take it. Same as it is. Okay.
Okay.
So change the product details page, the class name here. And then we already logged in. Okay. So next we'll write a test methods, multiple test methods. Product details page, go to product details page. What are the methods are available? So we have a get product metadata method, get product price data, get product information. This is here we are calling. So let's go and get this metadata means you have to go to particular element, then you have to get that, right? Let's go one by one. Yeah.
Can you please check product header?
Product
header.
Product header.
Highlighting.
CSS
is not highlighting.
This one.
Yes, sir. And add to cart button also.
Add to cart. There are direct ones, right? Add to cart, all these things. Why you are not able to identify them?
One of two.
Just ID, right? And it's just a so product header is a simple one. So you log in. So we logged in. So that's a see that you can search particular product. For example, you want to search MacBook. Okay. So this is the one. And here, how many products we got?
Three.
So that's a MacBook or which product you want. You can select a MacBook Pro or a MacBook. So whichever you want, you can just click on particular thing. So which one you want to click. So you perform the particular thing. Maybe you can do data driven also this one. So you can do data driven also. Go to particular and get this product data and price and this add to cart. All the details you can get it. So these details we got already. So like that you can just get all this info product header, get product header, then you can asset. So what is the each product header, you can so do that also. I'll do particular, different so things will different products will search, and we can do data driven testing also for this. And let's go. Okay. So you can do a data-driven testing also. See, all the different products are there, right? We can perform a search. So, and also data-driven testing. Again, I want to understand why we are doing a data-driven testing. I want to find out different headers, and then so I want to validate that. So that is the one thing. So let's see, how we can do a data-driven testing. Yesterday also we did, but today also I'm going to do the same thing. So first, this one @data provider, I'll write. Multiple products I'm going to add. Okay, multiple products I'm going to add. Public object to two-dimensional array. Okay, object to two-dimensional array, and so we can give this all get product data. Whatever it is, product test data. So if you don't want to give, so this you make sure capital letter. Okay. If you don't want to give the number of rows and columns, I told you yesterday, right? That procedure you can follow that. So simply you can say return new object two-dimensional array, then start the curly bracket, and curly bracket inside you can start multiple curly brackets. So each row, so this is basically each row, right? So like this you can start it. So I'm going to do this key value pair. One is a row and columns, right? And I can give MacBook to that 7. And so the MacBook, so what is the MacBook value? So if you type MacBook, so you will get a MacBook Pro, and we have seen, right? MacBook Pro we are getting. What are the results you got? MacBook Pro you got, right? MacBook. So Pro we got it. One is MacBook Pro we got. Am I right? Can you see here? MacBook Pro, MacBook Air. So MacBook also. But exactly this is the products. If you want to add, you can add that also. But this is the actual product what we search, and we got an extra. So you can add all the products if you want. So I'm just adding so these things. One more. MacBook Air also I'll add. So MacBook Air also you add. Next, I'll add a different products. So make if you type one more, suppose you typed here iMac. So what will happen? You see this. So you got only one product. So I'll just do the same thing. iMac and iMac. So just go there and give us within double quotes, comma, within double quotes, this one. So next, you can add multiple Samsung, just do the Samsung also, same way. All right, Samsung, and do the, what are all the products you are getting? See, you got a Samsung Galaxy Tab, right? Or so this one. So I'll just give this one. If you type a Samsung, and you are getting these products, right? So let's give that. So I'm typing Samsung. So we got this product. So then you can do that. One more product also. So other product I'll do. So let's do Apple. So what you got? Apple Cinema 30 we got. So copy this. That you give it. Apple. Okay. So that's the kind of so we have given. Now, why we are getting here? This one, last one, comma we don't need. And this is the method one. Okay, this one and method one, student method one, right? What is the error? Insert semicolon to complete the block statements. This one is okay, semicolon here. Semicolon is missing. That's it. So this is the basically again I'm doing a data provider, and so let's write the @test annotation. @test. So what we are doing, this is the keyword you are giving, and it will search, right? It will search, it will click on this, it will go there, and this I want to validate. I want to assert this. So this assertion you are getting from here. Okay. So that's what we are going to get that. So that you need to write that, right? Basically a product header test, this one. So let's create this product header test. I'm doing public. So void product header test. So product header test. So what are the product headers? This is the string key, and also product name, right? String product name. So these are the key value we are getting from the data provider. Two rows, two columns. These are two columns. So this is the column 1, column 2. So that's why column 1, column 2. So you perform the search here. So search page you write. You are searching. So you will get a search page where you are doing a search equal to my account page, right? That is a my account page. My account page dot do product search. So in the do product search, you have to give a key, the first this one. So I will give the key. Okay, I'll give the key. Then what will happen? It will go to results page. It will go to results page, right? After this. Add throws declaration, it will go to results page. In the results page, you have to select a particular product. You have to select the particular product. So did we write that select a particular product in the product details? Okay, we didn't write to select that product, right? How can we select particular product? That we have to write. Okay, you are going get product price data, okay. And product metadata list. This data we are getting, but select a product we haven't written. So we need to write a select product method. How to select that product? That we should know very well. Otherwise, you cannot know what thing you have to give for selecting. So there are multiple results you are getting. So multiple results. Which product you want to select? Which product you want to select? That product name we have to write. So let's go and write so how to do that, particular product, how can we select that? So that maybe you can write here also, otherwise you can write that particular product, how you can select that. So how we can select that? Can you think? So what is the, in the results page, we are selecting that, right? In the results page, we have written already, right? See, we have written already. We are selecting and we are giving a link text. Yeah, we are given a link text here. So this is the one you have to call this method. You have to call this method. Let's call this method. Product details page test. And you just give that how to call this method. Select a product.
Result space dot.
Result space dot. Result space dot. Select.
Product.
What is the method? We select a product. Yeah, select product. So and you give the product name. You give the product name. So which product you want to select? This one. This is the product, exact product that I am giving. So are you clear now? First, what you are doing, you are searching with a key that is MacBook. Then in the results, you are selecting the particular product. So after that, so you have to, you are going to product details page, right? After this, the results page after. After results, you are going to product details page.
Yes.
In the product details page, get the product header name. So you call the product details. Did we create object for this? Product details is not there. Okay, we need to add this product details page. First add in the test base. Public. So product details. Product detail base. Import this. So you create object for this class also in the
Page. Go to new.
create object for this class.
Pass
So
the
driver, we need to add a driver, right?
Right.
Driver we need to add. So what is this?
You didn't save it, I think.
Oh, that is, we haven't saved it. Okay, test base. Okay. We didn't save it. Okay, we got it. Now come here. Product details space dot get product header. So we have a get product header, right? Where is that? So did we write a product header? Get product name. Yeah, this one, right? Get product name method. I'll call this method. Just call this. So this is the return type method, right? What data it is returning?
String.
String, the header, right? String. String product header name. Next. So assert dot assert equals. You do assert equals. And then, so what is the header and the product name? Same, this whatever the product name is there, that should be there. Same product should be there, right? So in the there also. That's the first test case. See that? So understand here, the test case you understand. So whatever you selected in the result space, that is the one it should be here. This is the one we are getting, right? This one and the one you selected should be same. That's what I'm asserting here. Okay. Next test case, we'll do this all these price, metadata, and all those things. Okay. That's the second test case. We'll do that. Are you clear on this test case? Before going for the second test case. So here you need to find the count of each product, okay? Each product, for example. So if you do, so what is the value you are getting? If you do Apple total images, how many you are getting? So this is the Apple, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 total images. These are all images you will get. So these images we have taken here this is the product details page. Let's go on details page. Total images, list of images we got. So we didn't get the images. Image count we got it, right?
Image list is
Image
Yeah,
list
yes,
is
list.
first one.
So this one. So I want to see this with this. Now it is giving a 6 or not. So this is the images. Is it giving a 6? Let's try it. No, here I want to. Okay, see, can you see here? It is giving 6. Can you all see here?
Yes.
6. So this means this is giving a 6 images each one. Like that, we need to write for all the things. How many images we are getting for each product? This images count we are getting. Okay, so let's go and do that. This images count, and we'll validate, and also the product metadata also you have to validate. That also will validate that also. Images count and also product metadata, getting the metadata product. So that also we have to call all this price and this. So everything we have to validate that also, each product metadata. Maybe you can add here itself, right? This one, this metadata. Getting product metadata, get product metadata. You can use this also here. Let's use that, otherwise. The test case will write that, another test case will write separately. So because you have to asset that also. So the brand, everything will asset that. So I'll write another one. Let's go and do the images test. So I want to each product, for example, you take this. How many images are there? Just check this, all this. Basically, this one. Do a search. Okay. If you do a search, you select this, for example, this product you selected. How many images are there? How many are there?
4.
So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are there. So even you go back to the search, you select the air. So how many are there? Here also 4.
4.
And then you select the iMac, you search iMac, okay? So how many are there? Let's go and see this. Click on this. How many are there? 1, 2, 3. So this is the another. So basically all the products image. So we are getting, and also I'm going to write the count, images count. I'm going to add and asset that. So later we'll get them and we'll asset that. So let's go and see how we can asset that. So let's write same. I'm going to take this data provider. Okay. So data provider, you do that. And also independent, right? The test case is independent. Every test case is independent. So I want all this. So what I can do? So here I will add extra count. I will add the count. That is 4. We have seen already. Another one is 4. And this one, how many? I make
3.
3.
So we have seen already all this. So do you remember? And this one we haven't seen.
Samsung
Go and see
3.
this.
3 or 2.
So let's go and see this. How many are there?
Product is 2, but the image we did not see, sir.
Hmm?
We did not see the images.
2.
Only product only. Sir.
So this has only one. So I'll write 1. So this is 1. And the apple. So we have seen apple, right? Already? No.
3.
So let's go and do that. Search.
3.
So click on this. So we have seen 6, right? These are 6. So I'm giving this count as a 6. Okay. So this is the all we have given, and I'll change this this test case. This one is images test, right? Product images test data. So images test data, and so you have to map here. We didn't map here, right? If you don't map, what will happen? So it won't recognize from where it has to go and pick this key and product name. So that's why we have to map it. So how to map this method name you give it. Same you can do here also. So data provider equal to, so get product image test. So this product image test. Product image test. So again here also you have to perform the search, right? And then you have to select the product, right? And then, so you get the, here what is that? You have to get the count, right? You have to get the count. So int, so you have to get the count. Actual product image count. Actual product image count. So, and we already have a method. So did you remember we have a method? What is that? Get image product image count. So it will get the image count. And here you have a, so one more parameter is missing here. What is the other parameter? 3.
Count.
Image count. 3 parameters, right? Why 3
Sir.
parameters? Here 3 columns are there.
3 columns.
So column 1, column 2, column 3. So I'm giving a different test cases. Please catch these things. It's very, very important. Okay. And so this one we have to give. This is the one. And this one? This one. Are you clear on this? Did you understand the test case, what we are doing? Are you all clear? Are any questions here?
Yes.
Okay. So let's move on to the next one. Last one. This, what we need to do? You have to validate. You have to get this product metadata and this price. So you have to get for any one product or 2 products you give, and you search for a particular product otherwise, and then you get that data, whatever the data you want, get that. So let's go and do that. So we'll give one product, so not necessarily multiple products. We'll do only for one product. So I'll get all this and I'll asset that. Okay, I'll use a soft asset for this, and I can continue that. So let's go and do this product metadata test. Next test case, @test public. So void product metadata test. Product metadata. Again, we need this, right? This is the common, right? This is the common thing. So we have to select the product. Then till here it is common. So, but I have to give here the product name. Okay, I'm going to hardcore. Okay, one product name I'll give. So the product name you give MacBook. So you are typing the MacBook. So then you select which product you want here. What is the product? You will choose which product you want. So I'm choosing MacBook Pro. Okay, so select MacBook Pro. I'll select this. Just copy paste MacBook Pro. Okay. So once you select, you will get into product details page, right? So you will get into product details page. So, and you have to basically this select product. Select product is, so what data type? It is returning product details page. Okay, it is returning a product details page. See, we didn't write a return type. This return type you have to write. See, all this we are missing here, return type. See, we haven't written. Select a product is returning product details. This object it is returning. So you have to return the return type methods. You should not miss. So if you miss, that is we are missing the concepts. See, select product is returning a product details object. So that we are missing. And make sure you are writing that. Right. Product detail page is returning, the select product is returning a product detail page. So that we have seen already here. Oh, it is I think mistake. Visual space. Select product. Okay, so here the error is, that's the reason. So now you need to get what data you need to get, all the data. So we'll do a soft asset. So what is soft asset? What is the soft asset?
If condition is fail, also it will execute the code.
Okay. So, but this no product metadata we need to get, right? This is not the one product metadata. It is going to return. What is the product metadata method will return? It returns a map, right?
Yes, key and
Map. First key is a data string and value also data.
string.
And you just give the name. So actual product. So map. So metadata map. You can say, or otherwise info map. So I'm just giving any name, okay, meaningful name you give. So that's fine. It's up to you. Nobody will question you what you want to, what you are giving. So this is the one you have to call get product. So information, right? Get product information. See, that is the return type, whatever we have. So what is this method? So add throws declaration. See how to go to this method. If you want to see, just control click. See, it is going here. So this is the get product information method. We are getting all the info and it stores in the map. So that's what I got here. So let's quickly finish this and this method, and you have to do a lot of assertions now, right? So you have to do soft asset. So we'll do one by one. So you have to create object for soft asset. Let me create an object for soft asset. Okay. Maybe I create here soft asset. So soft asset equal to new soft asset. So you have to create object. It's a class. Soft asset is a class. See org.testng.assets. So then use this one by one. You asset it. See. soft asset dot asset equals. So you have to use asset equals. Asset equals. So you have to see that what is the values for the, we go and select the MacBook. You type MacBook. And we have chosen this product, right? A MacBook Pro, right? Click on this. Then what is this first one? Brand. Brand, what is the value? So you need to get the brand value. You need to get the brand value in the map, from the map. So what are the map you have here, right? From this map, how can you get the particular key value? How can you get a particular key value? I want this value. I want this value. Now it is stored in the key and value, right? How can you get this value from the map?
You have to mention key.
Get method. Get off and you give the key. What is the key?
Brand.
The key is brand. And the actual value you know already. That is Apple. So next, same way, you write multiple, all the values, you can write it here like this. So how many are there? Just check that.
3.
How many are there?
4.
Availability, product code, and if you want, you can do that all. But I'm just doing 1, 2, 3, 4. You want me to do all or price also? I'll do that. Price also. So let's do price also. Okay. So reward points. So I'll do reward points also. Let's do all of them one by one. Okay. Okay. What is the second one?
Product code.
Product code. So in the map, product code value is there. So this one, what is the value? Product code value.
Product 18.
Product 18. So that is the one. Put that. Next, what is the next one?
Rewards.
Rewards
points.
See, these maps you need to remember. The maps is important. So don't miss them. Okay.
800.
So make sure you clear on the collections. Collections are crucial. They will ask all these collection concepts.
In
stock. So one more, the last one, price. I'll validate a price and then we'll end it here. So what is this one? So we have to give. Basically, we have given here actual price. Okay. So do you remember actual price we have given? If you go here, see, this is the name. This is the key. So that key you have to get it. So this key you need to use here. Actual price. What is this actual price? $2,000. Just give it as it is, okay? Okay. Done. So any other questions? And at the end, make sure soft asset dot asset all.
Asset all.
So you have to do that mandatorily. This is the one, asset all. So what it will do, even though it fails here, it won't stop here. It will continue next lines of code. That's the soft asset behavior. So hard asset means it will stop there only. It won't continue further. That's the difference between soft asset and hard asset. So at the end, it will asset all of them. If any failure comes, it will catch here and it will throw for you. So that's the one. And so after class, you just, I'll just use this same, this after class thing. This code, I'll write it.
కొంచెం wait.
Add throws declaration. That's it. So let's go and add this quickly and run the test cases. So only one test case, right? We're good. All the test cases are done. That time also done. So I want to run this test case. Class com dot here dot open card dot test case dot.
Product details.
That's it. So now first run as my own build. So yesterday when we ran test case, one failed with intercepted exception, but let's see today. So we solved with JSClick, but JSClick is working or not. We can see if home page is done. Now it's going for the registration test case. So data-driven testing. See, I covered many times data-driven testing. You should not miss this concept. If they ask you how to do data-driven testing, you should not miss this concept. So using data provider you can do, or you can store the data in the Excel sheet. You read the data to the data provider annotation. From data provider to test method, you supply it. That's how to read the data from Excel sheet to a data provider, it will store. From there, you are reading to a test method. And I have shown you with a single column, with a 2 columns, with a 3 columns also I have shown you. So how we are getting columns? How we are getting columns?
Parameters list.
Parameters.
So in the test method, parenthesis inside, how many parameters are there? That parameters count is
Column count.
column count. So these points you need to remember while coding time also. You have to be very careful on these areas. So let it do. I'll just stop this recording because it's taking more time, right?